Okay, so question 31, SMKM 2019, paper 1. So diagram 10 is a Venn diagram which shows the element of universal set P and set Q. List all the elements of set P prime. So P prime, this is P, okay, this is P. P prime means it's outside P, so it's this, and this. So it's 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8 answer is this one. Okay? Okay. In a class, 38 students, 25 people pass biology. So I will write biology, 25. Chemistry, you have 17. And you pass bio and chem is actually 9. So what you need to do for this question is that you draw two sets. One is bio and another one is chem. Put this 9 at the center first. Then you take 25 minus 9. So I write 25 minus 9. So this one will be 16. And then this is 17 minus 9. You'll have 8. Okay? So now they ask, find the number of students who fail both of the subjects. So fail both for the subjects, you know that there's a total of 38. So all the students, either they pass one subject or two subjects. So your answer will be 38 minus this 3. 16 minus 9 minus 8. Okay? Therefore, your answer will be 35 is 5. So it's B. Okay? 33. Find the gradient of the straight line 2 over 3y minus x equals to 12. Okay, so what you need to do is that you have to make this into y equals to mx plus c. So 2 over 3, I bring this x over, so it will be over 3y, x plus 12. So in order for you to make this disappear, 2 over 3, you have to multiply with 3 over 2. Because when you multiply 3 over 2, you can actually cancel it, okay? So you multiply 3 over 2, this will be y. This will be 3 over 2x. And when 12 you multiply by 3 over 2, it's 18. So this is the gradient. So the gradient is 3 over 2. The answer is C. Okay? This is our final page. Find the y-intercept of the straight line passing through the point 1, 4 and -1, -1. Okay, so what you need to do is that you have 2 points. Find the m, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So this is 4 minus -1 and 1 minus -1. So 4 plus 1 is 5, 5. This is 5 and 2. The m is 5 over 2. So y equals to 5 over 2x plus c. In order to find the c, just put one of the dots inside the equation. So I use this, xy, y is 4, 5 over 2, x is 1, and the c is something that you don't know. So this is 4 equals to 5 over 2 plus c. Bring this over. C will be equals to 4 minus 5 over 2. 5 over 2 is 2.5, so you will get 3 over 2. So therefore, your answer is y equals to 5 over 2x plus 3 over 2. So this 3 over 2 will be your y-intercept. So the answer is A. Next one. In a group of 30 boys, there are 10 Malay boys, some Chinese boys, and some Indians. Okay, so the probability of choosing a Chinese boy is 2 over 5. So this is a probability question. So what you need to do is that you have to draw a table. Okay. So I'll have, let's see how many categories. So it's like that. Okay, so the first one is on Malay boys, Malay. and then you have Chinese, and then you have Indian, and then this is the total. Okay, you can put the number, and then this is the probability. Now this is the total 30. I'll put 30. 10 Malay boys. Probability of the Chinese is here. Chinese is here, so I got 205. And if a boy is chosen at random from the group, find the probability that he's not an Indian. Not Indian. Okay, what you need to do is actually very simple. Make sure that you fill up the total box first. So this is 30 and this is 1. Now there are 4 boxes, okay, over here. The Chinese one. So I have to find the Chinese. So what you do is that you cross multiplication. Okay, so it's 30 multiplied by 2/5 divided by 1, which is 12. So you put the 12 here. And then you can find the Indian, which means that 30 minus 12 minus 10, you will have 8. And then you can actually find the probability. 10 divided by 30, this is 1/3, and 8/30, you get 4/15. Okay, so you have everything. So now you need to find the probability. Find the probability that he's not an Indian. So not an Indian is Malay and Chinese. So it's 1/3 plus with 2/5. It's 1/3 plus 2/5. So 1/3 plus 2/5, and your answer is 11/15. Okay, so 11/15 is A. 36. A store contains 10,000 oranges. 100 oranges are selected at random for testing. Oh, so this 100 is N. And this is the total, 10,000. If 5 of the oranges from all the samples were found rotten, so 5 rotten, how many rotten oranges will be expected in the store? Okay, so the probability of rotten will be 5/100, which is 1/20. Therefore, if you want to find how many of them, so you put a number, you have to use the probability, multiply with 10,000. So I cut this with this, so you will have 1,000 is 500. So the answer is C. Okay, the last one. It is given that x varies inversely. So when you have the x, when you have varies, inversely is 1/square root. Square root is like that. Square root of y. Okay, so if you want to change it into equal sign, you have to put a k to it. Okay, so they give you x is half, so you put half. K you do not know, and y is 36. Okay, so square root 36 is 6. Half is equals to k/6. Therefore, bring the 6 up. K is equals 6/2 equals to 3. So therefore, your answer will be x equals to 3. So this is 3/square root of y. So your answer is B. Okay, thank you for watching.